Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, ito yung time guys na we're going back to Manila guys. So yan nga, nagpapaalam.
Bye-bye!
We're saying goodbye kasi babalik na kami ng Manila. So ito yung time guys sa province namin. So syempre nangalungkot din. Hindi ko lang pinakita na parang maiyak na ako, but sa totoo lang talaga, it's hard to say na masakit pag yun yung time na aalis ka na, babalik ka na sa iniwanan mo na sa mga mahal mo sa buhay, sa province. So pero that's life ganun talaga. So next time na lang na pag-uwi, so sulitin natin na makasama natin sila. So yes, pero ang sarap ng feeling guys na makasama natin ang ating family. So yes, it's going back to Manila.
I don't know why you left me bleeding, with a broken heart. Tell me if I deserve this feeling. I thought that you know that we had something special, till you end up all this way. Please tell me why you left me bleeding, with a broken heart. Tell me why I deserve this feeling. I thought that you loved me, I thought that you need me, till you end up all this way. Have you forgot all the moments while we had were so true? This world was made for two. I did it change and love can go, but tell me why are you so cold? What did I wrong?
A few inches later.
So yes guys, finally we're arriving here at the Panglao airport. Yes guys, pumipila na kami dyan guys para pumasok sa loob ng Panglao airport. So yun pala guys, share ko lang yung yung kinukuhaan ko ng ticket, yung friend ko nag-email sa akin or nag-chat sa akin na delay pala yung flight namin. So at that time 2 o'clock yan siya guys. Tapos pumunta kami dyan from our province is 2 o'clock papunta ng airport ng Panglao airport, which is nakarating kami ay nasa 4 na. So almost 2 hours ang biyahe papuntang airport. So sobrang tagal talaga guys kasi alam mo na sa province, di ba, bus siya sinakyan namin. Din yan guys, nag-waiting muna kami dyan sa kasi hindi pa kami pwedeng mag-check-in baggage kasi nga sobrang aga pa kasi 4 o'clock kaming umano, mga 7 or 6:30 yata yung check-in baggage namin. So yan guys, alam mo ba, delay. So buti na lang guys, binigyan kami ng ito, McDo guys, Burger McDo sa AirAsia. Kasi imbis na 8 o'clock yung flight namin, nagiging 9:30 or I think 10, ganun. So yes, kaya nga yung iba, tingnan mo, nakatulog na yung iba dahil sa kakaantay kasi nga delayed flight. Pero mas okay na yung delayed guys kaysa cancel guys, 'di ba? So syempre nakakaantok din. So yan, picture na lang ganyan. So yes, we're patiently waiting here. So kasi pabalik kami ng Manila at that time. So yan nga, sobrang na dismaya lang kami sa AirAsia kasi nga delay lagi daw. So yes, finally nagline na kami nito for arriving yung airplane. Yan, dumating na yung airplane that time. Yan, pumipila na kami niyan papunta doon sa airplane kasi sasakay na kami sa AirAsia. So yes guys, sobrang para sa akin nadismaya ako sa AirAsia kasi yung kapatid ko rin ganun din nangyari. Always delay, parang ganun. So yung Cebu Pacific, okay naman siya. Hindi naman kami na-delay nung pauwi namin ng Bohol. So yun na nga, yung pabalik nga na dismaya lang kami. Kasi syempre, pag nagmamadali ka tapos pagdating dun, anong oras na pala dumating sa Manila. So kasi nga delayed flight. So yan guys, finally punta na kami dun sa airplane para yes, sumakay na dumating na yung finally yung AirAsia na airplane. So at least sasakay na kami, makarating na kami ng Maynila. So yes,
andun ang AirAsia
sobrang
mo. Saan ang
kaya,
AirAsia?
nakakadismaya pag ganun, no? Lalo na pag nagmamadali ka. So syempre wala tayong magawa guys. So mas maganda naman yung delayed kaysa guys, cancel.
Delay.
Kasi syempre yung kinabukasan di natin alam, yung iba papasok pa ng work or may importanteng gawin. So nakakaabala, di ba? So yes, it's okay lang kasi sa awa ng Diyos, okay naman. So yan. So yes guys, finally nasa loob na kami ng plane sa AirAsia. So yun pala, hindi kami magkatabi ng upuan guys. So nandun ako sa dulo, siya naman nasa bungad guys. So okay lang yan guys. So yan, nandiyan na kami sa loob. So syempre, ang importante naman makarating tayo ng maayos sa ating paroroonan.
Further inflation, the light comes on upon contact with water, and here is a whistle for track attention. Evacuation flights are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exit on the aircraft are located. They're being pointed out to you now. Bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, please see flow and follow the path lines to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of the safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to the emergency exit are requested to study the operation of this exit in the safety card. Should a need arise, there were fire extinguishers inside this aircraft.
So yes, thank you Lord, we're landing safely. So nakarating na kami sa Ninoy International Airport. So alam mo ba nung oras yun guys? 12 na yan guys, 12 ng midnight. So nakarating kami sa Ninoy International Airport. So yes, talagang laking abala pag madili no guys. So yan, that time nagantay muna kami sa baggage namin dyan sa conveyor. So inantay muna namin yung baggage namin kasi medyo marami din kami, so medyo matagal. So antay lang tayo ng we're patiently waiting na. So yan, inantay namin. So buti na lang guys, meron din kaming nasakyan na kaibigan namin na na van siya guys, kasi syempre madaling araw, di ba? So parang wala nang masyadong sakay. May taxi naman ganun, pero kaso sobrang mahal yan guys, di ba? Pag lalo madaling araw ka na dumating, so tatagain ka nila sa price, but it's okay na may mabait na tao na sa amin, nagpasakay sa amin. So binigyan na lang din namin siya, si kuya. So biruin mo, Bulacan pa siya, but pinasakay niya kami, hinatid pa kami. So yes guys, yan yung experience namin that time. So yes guys, we're safely landed at Ninoy International Airport. So thank you, Lord, for our safe flight. We are safely landed, guys. So thank you so much, Lord, for this. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy my video. So thank you for all your support, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you next time, guys. Bye bye, guys. See you. God bless you all. Bye.
Forget what they doing, keep on